So we're facing a challenge, an opportunity. I'm not really sure what to call it exactly regarding a 1957 Ford Thunderbird that hasn't run in over 20 years. And the request was brought to us from a young man whose father passed away. It was left in the family garage in an unrunning state. And now here we are 20-some years later, and this gentleman would like to see that car come back to life and be able to drive it again. We had the car towed to our shop, and when we got it to the shop, we really couldn't believe what we saw. I was told that the car had been in the garage and been somewhat protected for a long time, or all the time actually, but the interior is all moldy. Frame of the car is very rusty. The engine won't turn. A lot of parts and spare parts are in the trunk, but the car is just an amazingly rough condition, than which at first we said, no, we can't even consider doing this. But as we have heard more about the story and the passion that this young man has regarding trying to get this car going, we've decided, you know what, we're gonna see what we can do as old-time mechanics. Maybe we should just take one step at a time and see if we can make this happen again. So the engine actually was able to turn by us putting some pry bars to the flywheel under the car. We put oil in the cylinders with the spark plugs removed, and we'll show you the car and some of the other things under the hood that we've done to try to get the engine to come back to life. Obviously, there's so much to do after that, but that would be the starting point, and we're kind of very much uncertain where this whole project's going to take us, but we're going to get underway and give it our best shot.
I still have Grandpa Shultz's speed wrench in my toolbox. I'm going to use that, which seems to be an appropriate thing here.
You think you'll make it down to Bloomington, Indiana, all right?
Oh, I think so. I think he'll make it there and back.
Okay.
She's looking pretty good.
Okay.
All right. So on behalf of the Shultz family and the crew here at A to Z Auto Repair, we want to thank the Lynn family for letting us be part of this journey to get this 57 T-Bird back on the road. It was John's quest to see his dad's car back alive, and I know we did it, and we're thanking you, and here's to the Lynn family.